So as I mentioned, today's video is sponsored by LuvMe Hair. We will be working on another headband wig. So in your box, you'll have your wig. I got a bunch of headbands in here. And it always comes with a little card. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LuvMe Hair. And then I also have some wig caps, a bag of goodies. This one is cute, the color. And of course a little brochure. So here's the wig. This is their Deepwave headband wig. The pattern is really cute and the hair is super soft. It does not smell weird at all. This is so cute. And this is how the inside is constructed. You get a total of 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 at the top, and then 1 at the bottom. I don't want to mess them up, but I'm gonna have to finger comb through it because they're just looking a little too perfect. But wow, it's so soft. So to put this headband wig on, I'm gonna use my wig grip from No Slip Wigs. I'll leave it linked down below for those who are interested. I came across a video on Instagram where a girl applied her headband wig using a wig grip, and I was like, oh my god, that's a great idea. So we're gonna try that today. Oh. Okay. Yes, and it's secure, honey. It's secure. And I didn't even put the headband on yet, girl. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip the hair back. So we can go ahead and Velcro this headband. So it's still gonna be hanging on here. So all I'm gonna do is tuck it. That's what I do with all my headband wigs. Just so that little flap doesn't bug me. So this is how she's looking. We're gonna have to brush her out, wet her a little bit. But it's super cute. So let's see about these headbands. It looks like I have a lot in here. So we're gonna open it up. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 headbands. So we're gonna brush it out and then I'm gonna put some conditioner and water mix. I'm just gonna use a wide tooth comb. So it's shedding just a little bit. I don't know if y'all could tell, but that's not a big deal to me, but just to let y'all know. I forgot what conditioner I put in here. But I'm gonna spray some conditioner and water mix. Oh no. Let's just ignore that. So this is how the hair looks wet. It is super cute. This pattern is so beautiful, you guys. And then this is 18 inches, so 18 inches is right here to me. I'm 5 foot, if y'all didn't know. So this is how it looks down. I love how it looks down, but I'm gonna show you guys a few hairstyles that you can achieve with this headband wig. So obviously you guys can do a low ponytail, but we're just gonna jump right into a high ponytail. So I can show you guys that the headband itself is hidden. We're gonna do a high bun. So you can do a high bun look. Just ignore the wetness right here. So we can also do half up, half down. It's really cute. I don't know, y'all could do something like this. This is really cute. I've never tried this style before, but of course you can just lift it up a little, mess with the bun a little bit. This is really cute. I don't want to cut nothing, so I'm just gonna pull it up. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and put it back down. I love how it looks down. The pattern is super beautiful. If you guys are interested in this headband wig, you guys already know I will leave everything linked down below, and any discount codes I'll leave down below as well. And again, this headband wig was sent to me from LuvMe Hair. I have worked with them before. This is their Deepwave headband wig in 18 inches. And it is super cute. And yeah, you guys, that's all I have for you today. This was a very quick video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.